Model, 2020 Fiat Ducato 2.3 Multijet low loader needs engine repair Euro 6 Vat Inc. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 211952. Engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL 4113 E6 DTEMP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Engine will need repairing grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, aircon, electric windows. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Contact us, 01564334664. Click the link in the description.